Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and we are here with a advent calendar from Lush. Now, I did already unwrap it just to make sure everything was okay in it, but this is essentially what it looks like. It comes like this with a beautiful orange ribbon all around it, which I've taken off, and it's called Shower All the Way. Now, this is a great advent calendar for someone who necessarily doesn't have a bath, and I always like to do a video showcasing what there is for just people who don't have baths, because people always think that Lush just only has bath products, not shower products. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to go subscribe right here and become part of our fun little community where we get spooky on the occasion, and turn that notification bell on so you're notified of all fun videos and uploads that come your way, whether that's men's lifestyle, beard care, funny vlogs, travel, favorites, giveaways, all of the above. Make sure to tune in for that so it gets straight to your subscription box and you won't miss out on any of the action. Thank you guys so much. So all the products in here are for the shower based. So we are going to open up all of these and see what's behind each of these doors together. So we're going to start with door number 1. First door has Yognog mini shower gel. Now you probably see my gift guide that has this already in it, and I kind of see this every year. This is a really nice one if you kind of want that kind of like mapley, sweet and spicy kind of scent on there. So that's a nice little one, a nice one to start off the advent with. Door number 2, let's see what's in here. It's Dream Cream. I do also want to say that this is a £100 advent calendar, 99 to be exact, or €109 essentially. So in door number 2, we've got the Dream Cream body lotion, which is always nice. This is a lavender and chamomile, and it smells amazing. I've had this before in the past. So good, great to settle down with for the end of a night and you want to prepare for bed. It's always a nice little one. Door number 3. Shoot for the Stars, I see. Let's get these packy peanuts out the way. We also have the body scrub Shoot for the Stars in a mini. So we got the mini Shoot for the Stars behind door number 3, body scrub. I really like this one. I think we've had this one before in the other gift boxes. It's a really nice shower scrub with little golden stars in there. The smell of this one is sugary sweet and all things nice to eat. Basically, use it as like a nice little exfoliant on your body. It's got fine sea salt and conditioned coconut cream. Leave the skin with a stellar glow. Great 3 days to start off with this advent calendar for. Door number 4. Is it a mini scrubby? Oh, this is the Humbug Scrubby. Okay, that's kind of cute. That's quite nice. If you haven't seen this one before, it is scrubby, but as the Humbug one for Christmas, which is very minty fresh, pepperminty. There's some peppermint oil now that I look. Cassia oil, spearmint. There's a mixture of mints in this one, so that is quite nice. I'm not the biggest fan of that one. I do like the original. Okay, door number 5. Behind door number 5 is North Pole, and I saw this at the showcase, and this basically has a graphic all the way through the big soap, and you can kind of ask to pick off the little pieces that you want the graphic of, and this one has a little snowman on it. I can definitely smell the lime oil on here. I think it's lime oil, and I can smell something minty, so I think it's peppermint oil. Yeah, peppermint oil, and something else that jumps out at me. I don't really see any other ones, but it smells really nice, and it's definitely a very festive soap for this time of year. So getting a big chunk of this soap is actually not bad. Okay, we're off to day number 6, and it is Golden Pear. Oh, this smelled amazing when I was at the showcase for this. Yeah, just how I remember it. It smells like those pear drop sweets as a kid. If you ever had those, this is what this one smells like, and this is day number 6. You get a mini to try of this shower gel. It is a golden one, but I feel like this one doesn't have really any gold sparkles in it, so I like this. It kind of reminds me of either hair drops or nail polish remover. It's one or the other. It's kind of got like a cidery smell, kind of zing to it as well, which I do like. And it says here, fresh pear juice and warm spicy notes serve up sparkling baked pear lathers. I kind of get that kind of feeling of it being a pear drop mixed with like a cidery smell, which kind of makes it very festive. Day number 7, you've got Celebrate body lotion. This is Brazilian orange, brings the party while almond oil and cocoa butter moisturize and soften the skin. I haven't had this before, so this is definitely a new one. Oh, it smells like that orange hand cream that they do. I really like that. That is quite nice. If you wanted to, you know, get like a little nice body lotion for the winter periods just to revitalize your skin, I like that. That is quite nice. Day number 8. Oh, has fallen out the box. So we got a mini. Now we already had a mini before, but I like this one. This is Sticky Dates. So this is a fun little mini. I have sprayed Sticky Dates before. It is a very gourmand experience. This is vastly popular at the moment. This is a whole trend in the beauty space for gourmand smelling things for at the moment. So having a miniature one, if you wanted to just try it but didn't want to fully invest in a giant one that is £28, around 30 euros for the 200 ml, you can get the small little mini one, and I think this is really cool. I really like this. I think this makes a nice little gift for someone. Get number 9. Looks like a mini lip scrub thing, I think. Oh, it's a foot balm. Okay, I've had this before. I've never seen it in this kind of size. This is a 10 gram repeat, which is a foot balm. I've used this before. I really like this, and having it in the smaller size and in this little pot actually makes it a little bit better if you wanted to try it out and you haven't tried this product before. It looks like that. It's a very orange smelling one, and I have great use out of this. I think this is a really good one. So I'm actually happy to get a miniature because it's nice to get little travel sizes, and this will do me so well if I travel around and need this kind of like pick me up. So I'm loving the minis from the advent calendar. Like, this is a really stellar advent calendar to get. We've got 10, 11, and 12 left. Let me just go up to the top right. Another soap. So we're gonna be soaped up. This is Yule log, and I can smell the cocoa in here. It definitely smells like a chocolate Yule log. That is for sure. It smells delicious, and it's got a nice little sparkle into it too. I have so many of these soaps. These actually make such a nice little gift as well. Day 11. 11 is my lucky number, so let's see what is behind number 11. It's getting harder to get them out because the packing peanuts move around too much. So we have the Sweet Wild Orange Hand Balm. So this one I think is the one had before. Yes, this is really nice. I like the smell of this one. This is kind of nice orange. This is kind of like the Celebrate kind of version, but like this one is not as intense with the orange. Really nice little one to try if you never tried it before. Day 12, we're smack bang in the middle. I'm gonna just do it like this. And it is also another shower gel, I believe. This is Merry Christmas Everyone. I don't know this scent. I feel like this is a new one. Merry Christmas Everyone. Quite a vibrant orangey red. Let's see what this smells like. It says, celebrate the best time of year with orange and lime scented cheer, leaving you so merry and bright. Santa might ask you to guide the sleigh tonight. Oh, it's a pun. I think this, is there a sparkle in it? I'm not really sure. Oh, that's actually very nice. I do enjoy the smell of that. That smells really nice. You can definitely smell the zestiness in there. What else is there? There's lime, Carrageenan, cranberry juice. Oh, that's probably what I can smell. And the fresh orange juice as well. So there's a mixture of like zestiness with a little bit of cranberry. Very festive. I really like this, and I think the overall haul of this is worth the money. There's such great products in here. You get like 3 in these little pots, which is really nice. You then get 3 shower gels, which are great. These are great travel size. 3 of the festive shower gels. You get a full-size body lotion. You get a full-size humbug scrubby. You get a bar of soap. You get the Yule log soap as well, North Pole and Yule log. And then you also get a tester kind of version, like a mini travel size of the Sticky Dates, which I think if you are a fan of the gourmand kind of smell, and a really lovely size of the Repeat Foot Balm, I think this is so good. I think the value for this is more than it should be. I think this is great, and I think if you are a person who travels a lot and like needs like kind of minis to travel around with, this is great. You're getting all of the minis to travel with and have in your hand luggage to get you through possibly the next year or two of like some really good essentials. I really enjoyed this advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed unboxing it with me, and also a big shout out to Lush for sponsoring the video and supplying me with this amazing advent calendar. Thank you so much. I definitely think if you're a person who doesn't have a bath but wants to get some shower products, shower Shower All the Way is definitely the advent calendar to go for, or someone you know might be going to university in the new year, or they are moving out and they don't possibly have a bath to hand or anything. This is such a great set, and I really think you guys should go check it out while it's there, or if it's on sale in the new year, look out for it. That's for sure. Alright guys, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, I think the video just ended that you were just watching, but don't worry. You can leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought about the video, what was your favorite part, or any suggestions you might have. But also, while you're at it, make sure to hit that like button so you can help grow the channel some more. Wait, you want more videos? Okay, well, you can subscribe right here and get any of those fun updates or any new notifications of giveaways, videos, or anything else straight to your inbox first. Or you can click right here to get one of my hand-picked videos just for you, and you can go binge it if you want. So thank you, and have an awesome day wherever you may be. Bye-bye.